Let's take a look at question number 3 of the DS section of the 2015 official guide. In this question, we have two variables representing boy and girl, because the question is asking us what the chances are of picking a boy in a class of boys and girls for him to read something. Since we have two variables, we'll need two equations to solve for them. In condition 1, we're given one equation. In condition 2, we're given another equation for a total of two equations. This raises the chances of answer choice C becoming our answer. Now, in dealing with probabilities in a question, we're not always given just probabilities to work with. So we have to treat them the same as ratios. We also have to treat them the same as percents. They're all like a family. You can treat them the same. And you also treat fractions the same as probabilities. Okay, now let's go back to our question, which was asking about a probability of something. But when we look at the conditions given, specifically condition 1, it gives us a fraction. It says that 2/3 of the class is boys. But since we said that they're the same as probabilities, it says the probability of picking a boy is also 2/3. So, condition 1 is sufficient by itself for us to solve the problem, and this suggests that A is our correct answer. But previously we said that C might be our answer, and when we're contending between A and C, A is our answer frequently. Now, this sort of problem with probabilities, ratios, and percents and fractions appear frequently on GMAT, so pay attention. And especially in these types of questions, one of the conditions gives a number, another gives a ratio, then the ratio in general will win over the number. This is a good example of when this happens and A becomes the answer instead of C, so pay attention to these kind of questions in solving GMAT problems.